So hi, my name is Collins Lekam. I come from Kajiado County. Today we had an opportunity to join this first NCD conference in Nairobi, and it's an opportunity to learn, share experience with other counties and partners. Thank you. We have partners like World Diabetes Foundation that have been funding us and supporting our activities back at the county. World Diabetes Foundation was able to help us get equipments, train healthcare workers, and cascade the trainings to our CHPs. So this is a good opportunity to learn, and it's really helping us. Kajiado has the triple burden forms of malnutrition, that is underweight, overweight, and we're seeing an upward trend on rise of NCDs in Kajiado. So this is an opportunity to learn and share experience with other people, advocate for funding to support communities that the marginalized communities back in Kajiado. So it's an opportunity to advocate for nutrition and NCDs in such a forum, and we're really happy to have you guys here and share our experiences back at Kajiado. Thank you.